If you've made it this far, if you've been showing up, if you've been listening and reflecting and leading, choosing truth over comfort, then I want to ask you something really hard. So be honest. Would you follow the man that you've become? Would you trust him in a storm? Would you rely on him in battle? Would you respect him in the mirror? Because that's the test. It's not about whether your wife trusts you right now. It's not about whether she approves of your boundaries. It's not even about whether the marriage survives. The real question is, do you trust yourself? A woman can't trust a man who doesn't trust himself. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach, and here's where this journey begins and ends. Most men come into this work with one goal. How do I fix my wife? But what they discover is something far deeper. How do I stop abandoning myself? You stop lying to keep the peace. You stop collapsing under guilt. You stop outsourcing your power. Instead, you stand, you breathe, you lead, and you begin creating your life from the inside out. You don't need to be perfect. This isn't about becoming flawless. You'll still get triggered, you'll stumble, you'll still feel scared at times. But now you've got tools, you've got clarity, and you've got you, that grounded, calm, conscious man who knows who he is, whether she's smiling or shouting or gone. That's the man you can trust. That's the man she can trust. And even more importantly, that's the man that you could respect. So now what? If you've done this work for 30 days, if something in you has shifted, woken up, been strengthened, then don't stop. Now's when the real journey begins. So I'll ask you again, would you follow the man that you've become? If not, let's keep building. You're not done. You're just getting started. Go to happymancoaching.com and book a free private Happy Man coaching call, and let's talk about what needs to happen next. Let's get really super clear about what you want for yourself and your marriage and your life. I guarantee that after that call, you'll feel more grounded, more calm, more clear, and more confident. I'll also introduce you to my community of men who are having these types of honest conversations every week. I'll tell you how you can join our group calls and have discussions and support each other and be in a brotherhood of men who are truly becoming happy men. So go to happymancoaching.com, book that call, and I'll talk to you soon.